If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Although there is no specific rename command within the QuickBooks lists, to rename a list item you simply open the Edit List Item window for the selected item from the desired list. Then type a new name for the entry into the name field at the very top of the window. The entry will then adopt the new name after you click either the OK or Save and Close buttons to save your changes. When renaming list items, if you name an entry the exact same thing as another existing entry, QuickBooks will ask if you want to merge the two items into one. If you do, then click Yes at the Merge prompt, and QuickBooks will make a single entry from the two entries. This can be handy if you have two different entries in a list, often created by multiple people performing data entry, that should actually be a single entry. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.